Now the next nucleic acid present is RNA, that is ribose nucleic acid. Here one molecule of RNA also consists of a sugar molecule, but the sugar present here is ribose, that is a pentose sugar C5H10 and O5. DNA में ये O4 था, here it is O5. Now the nitrogenous bases present here, again they are of two types, that is purine and pyrimidine. Purines in DNA and RNA, they are same, that is adenine and guanine. But in pyrimidine, they are cytosine and uracil. थाइमीन नहीं है, जो DNA में T था थाइमीन, here the thymine is replaced by uracil. And the phosphate group, is again present as the phosphoric acid. It is present as the phosphoric acid. तो DNA में बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या हुआ? केमिकली यहाँ पे पहला शुगर जो थी इट इज़ राइबोस, इन DNA इट वाज डीऑक्सीराइबोस. नाइट्रोजिनस बेसिस में यहाँ pyrimidines प्रेजेंट आर साइटोसिन एंड यूरेसिल, और DNA में क्या थे? साइटोसिन एंड थाइमीन. अगेन यहाँ भी जो प्योरीन्स हैं दे आर डबल रिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स, दैट इज one hexagon and one pentagon with nitrogen located at first, third, seventh and ninth position, and cytosine and uracil they are single ring structures, that is hexagon. This structure is same. Another major difference is that DNA it was double stranded DNA, but RNA is single stranded structure. RNA is single stranded, that is it is made up of single polynucleotide chain. Now RNA is of three types: rRNA, mRNA and tRNA. R stands for ribosomal RNA, M is messenger RNA, T is the transfer RNA. Let us see about these RNAs one by one. They have different locations in the cell and different functions. The first is the ribosomal RNA. The ribosomal RNA, this molecule is greatly coiled, and this ribosomal RNA, it remains associated with proteins, and it forms these proteins plus rRNA, they forms large and small subunits of ribosomes. हमने पढ़ा था क्लास 9 में कि ribosomes they are the cell organelle जिनकी सरफेस पर प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस होता है, and ribosomes they are made up of two subunits. One is the smaller subunit and another is the larger subunit. So these large and small subunits of ribosomes, they are made up of ribosomal RNA and proteins, and rRNA in total it forms 80% of total ribosomes. So what is their function? Function of ribosomal RNA, that protein synthesis it occurs on ribosomes, and ribosomes are made up of rRNA and proteins. Now the second is messenger RNA. Messenger RNA it forms 5% of total RNA. This is the largest. This is the largest of the three RNA, and it may be a monocistronic chain, that is it is made up of single polypeptide, or it can be a polycistronic chain, that is it is made up of many polynucleotide chain. Let us see the structure. This has got a linear structure. It has a 5' end. This is the 5' end, a 3' end, and there is a coding region. This one is the coding region, and the 5' end and the coding region इनके बीच में और 3' end और coding region के बीच में there is a small non-coding region which do not code for any amino acid. These are the non-coding regions. 3' end पे, इस 3' end पे इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is called poly A tail, and the 5' end it is called, ये जो 5' end है, there are present methylated groups. So there are present, this is called methylated cap. The 5' end, because of the presence of methylated groups at this end, 5' end, it is called methylated cap. और 3' end पे there are present 200 to 300 poly A groups, poly adenyl groups, इसलिए इसको poly A tail भी कहते हैं. और 5' end के पास उस जो ये coding region है उसमें शुरू में beginning में there is a small region which is where are present initiation codons. Initiation codon हमारे पास दो हो सकते हैं, AUG and GUG. For now you can remember the names only. It will be described in later chapters. और coding region के end में यहाँ पर there are present termination codons, and we have 3 termination codons, UUA, UAG and UGA. These 3 codons they do not code for any amino acid. और initiation codon जो थे, AUG codes for methionine, जो amino acids के हमने नाम सुने थे, and GUG it codes for valine. So this is the structure of messenger RNA. Now the third type of RNA is tRNA or the transfer RNA. Transfer RNA, it forms the 15%. Transfer RNA, it forms the 15% of total RNA. This is the smallest of the 3 RNA. Let us see the structure. इसमें हमारे पास we have the single chain. ये देखो, ये यहाँ से शुरू हुई. It is bent over itself, इसलिए इसको हम leaf clover model of tRNA भी कहते हैं. The same chain, it is folded on itself and it achieves a leaf clover model. Now it has 4 regions. This tRNA molecule has got 4 regions. The first is the carrier end at 3' end. This is the 3' end. This is the 5' end. 3' end पे को हम carrier end कहते हैं. यहाँ पर जो है अमाइनो एसिड्स, इस OH ग्रुप और अमाइनो एसिड का COOH ग्रुप, यहाँ पे एस्टर बॉन्ड बनेगा. दिस इज़ अमाइनो एसिड बाइंडिंग साइट. अमाइनो एसिड्स यहाँ बाइंड करते हैं और यहाँ पर हमेशा CCA 3 नाइट्रोजिनस बेसिस की सीक्वेंस रहती है. द एंड ऑपोजिट टू द कैरियर एंड इज कॉल्ड रेकोगनीशन एंड. रेकोगनीशन एंड, यहाँ पे 3 नाइट्रोजिनस बेसिस हैं, 3 नाइट्रोजिनस बेसिस की सीक्वेंस है जिसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? एंटीकोडोन. दिस एंटीकोडोन हेल्प्स इन डिटरमाइनिंग, ये डिसाइड करता है कि इस एंड पे कौन सा अमाइनो एसिड ज्वाइन करेगा. द थर्ड एंड इज़ द एंजाइम एंड, जहाँ पर जो है दैट इज़ द साइट फॉर अटैचमेंट ऑफ एंजाइम्स. एंड फोर्थ इज़ द राइबोसोम साइट, जहाँ से जो है ड्यूरिंग प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस दिस साइट विल बाइंड टू द राइबोसोम. सो this is the structure of transfer RNA, tRNA, that is the leaf clover model, and with this we are finished with the RNA. So today's topic was the nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA.